Uh, Good morning, guys. Hope all of you are well. And today I am going to give a little bit description regarding a very important topic actually. Okay. The thing is that the multi-dimensionality. That generally we say that a answer has to be multi-dimensional. Right, and this multidimensional indicates different meaning for each paper. It is in consonance with the requirement of each paper, and the requirement of each paper is different, and that's why the view of multidimensional for an answer will change as per the paper. Today I am going to give a little hint regarding the GS2. Right, and the multidimensionality is a combination of both static and current topic. Both static and current topic. Right, means your answer must have to bear inputs from both static and current. Right, static means the theoretical portions, and current means the related controversies, what happened recently. Right. And in this thing, always keep it in mind that multidimensionality must have to derive its origin from current and static, and it must have to be in consonant with the keywords of the question. Take a question: judicial accountability is equally important as much as judicial independence. Right, when you write an answer, to make it multidimensional or to make it a eligible question for eligible answer for GS2 paper, you must have to derive your inputs from both static and current parts. Right, if you give your answer only with reference to the current controversies, then your answer will be one-sided and it will not be multidimensional. To make it multidimensional, what you have to do, first you have to keep a view on a static portion. Right, means what is judicial accountability? Right, what is the origin of judicial accountability, and what are the constitutional provisions that have given an idea about judicial accountability? And in that way, the key term judicial independence. Mind that here judicial accountability and judicial independence are key terms, alright, and with the reference of these key terms you have to pick the static portions. And what are the static inputs? The constitutional provisions, what are given with reference to these two key terms. And if there is any court judgment, particular court judgment in historical past, after giving reference to static portion you can come to the current portion, and you have to give your answer from current perspective with reference to the static perspective. Right, only then it will be a multidimensional answer for GS paper 2. Come to another question: give a critical analysis of the rights of the prisoners. Right, if you give an answer, if you write an answer only with the reference to the recent happenings regarding the prisoners, then it will be one-sided. To make it multidimensional, you have to derive your inputs from both static and current portions. And what are the static portion? Means constitutional provisions plus court judgments. Means what are the rights, right, given in the constitution which can be inferred for the prisoners. If there is any court judgment in historical past, then you can come to the recent controversies and recent happenings regarding petition regarding court judgment, etc. Means you have to give your current analysis with reference to the static portion. Only then you can find the multidimensional answer for GS paper 2. Always keep it in mind that multidimensional, the view of multidimensional differs from paper to paper. In case of, though it is same as a whole same, but it differs somehow because the multidimensional viewpoint of GS2 will be different from GS4. The much more constitutional references which you can give in GS paper 2 are not suitable to GS4 paper. Right. So always keep in mind that static and current, these both the terms constitute multidimensionality, and in GS paper 2 whenever you write an answer, always keep in mind that try to give a brief description regarding its origin in the constitution, and any noticeable Supreme Court judgment. These are the two things which are important to make your answer multidimensional in GS paper 2.